25 multiple choice questions, MCQs, focused on phrasal verbs to help learners level up their English. Phrasal verbs quiz number 2. 1. I need to blank my assignment before Friday. A. Take over. B. Hand in. C. Cut down on. Answer B. Hand in. 2. After the manager left, John blank his responsibilities. A. Took over. B. Handed in. C. Came across. Answer A. Took over. 3. You should blank sugar if you want to lose weight. A. Hand in. B. Cut down on. C. Put up with. Answer B. Cut down on. 4. I blank an old letter while organizing my drawer. A. Came across. B. Took off. C. Gave in. Answer A. Came across. 5. We need to blank a better plan quickly. A. Come up with. B. Hand in. C. Take over. Answer A. Come up with. 6. He finally blank smoking after many years. A. Gave up. B. Took off. C. Made up. Answer A. Gave up. 7. The plane blank on time. A. Took over. B. Took off. C. Came up with. Answer B. Took off. 8. I can't blank this noise any longer. A. Put up with. B. Take over. C. Get along with. Answer A. Put up with. 9. They had to blank the party because of the rain. A. Call off. B. Take up. C. Set up. Answer A. Call off. 10. He blank his father in both looks and behavior. A. Takes after. B. Takes over. C. Gives in. Answer A. Takes after. 11. She blank a new hobby during summer. A. Took up. B. Gave up. C. Cut down on. Answer A. Took up. 12. I can't believe she blank that story. A. Made up. B. Came across. C. Handed in. Answer A. Made up. 13. Let's blank the lights before going out. A. Take over. B. Call off. C. Switch off. Answer C. Switch off. 14. The teacher asked him to blank the volume. A. Turn up. B. Hand in. C. Put out. Answer A. Turn up. 15. He blank the offer after thinking about it. A. Came up with. B. Gave in. C. Went for. Answer C. Went for. 16. She always blank her sister when they fight. A. Puts down. B. Brings up. C. Goes off. Answer A. Puts down. 17. They blank a new business together. A. Set up. B. Took off. C. Called off. Answer A. Set up. 18. He blank with a cold before the exam. A. Came down. B. Took up. C. Called off. Answer A. Came down. 19. Please blank the form carefully. A. Fill in. B. Give up. C. Take in. Answer A. Fill in. 20. We should blank this opportunity. A. Take advantage of. B. Come up with. C. Put up with. Answer A. Take advantage of. 21. He blank his hat and left. A. Took off. B. Gave up. C. Came across. Answer A. Took off. 22. She blank her brother's old clothes. A. Handed in. B. Looked after. C. Made use of. Answer C. Made use of. 23. We blank the task sooner than expected. A. Got through. B. Called off. C. Took up. Answer A. Got through. 24. Try to blank with your new classmates. A. Get along. B. Put up with. C. Come up with. Answer A. Get along. 25. He didn't blank his promise. A. Carry out. B. Hand in. C. Fill in. Answer A. Carry out.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Follow us on Facebook for more fun and easy English learning content. See you in the next lesson.